Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Substack reader login issues, email verification errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Substack reader due to email verification errors, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, ensure that you have access to the email account associated with your Substack reader registration. Check your inbox for any verification emails from Substack. If you do not see the email, be sure to look in the spam or junk folder. If the verification email is still missing, return to the Substack login page. Enter your email address and click on the Resend Verification Email option. Wait for a few moments as the email will be sent to your inbox. Once you receive the email, open it and locate the verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. If clicking the link does not work, copy and paste it directly into your web browser. If you encounter an error page, it's possible that the link has expired. In this case, go back to the Substack login page and request a new verification email again. Make sure there are no typos in your email address when requesting the link. If issues persist, check if your email provider is blocking emails from Substack. You may need to whitelist the Substack domain to ensure emails are received. If you continue to face login issues, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Another option is to try logging in from a different web browser. If all else fails, consider reaching out to Substack. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you see. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your email verification errors and log into Substack Reader successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.